Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and like a clean RV, stick around. In today's video, I'm going to show you my step-by-step process to keep your RV clean, shiny, and protected. Let's get started. We were camping probably a couple months ago, and the guy across from us came up and asked us, or he asked me, he goes, I noticed you don't have any black streaks on your camper. How do you keep it clean? How do you keep these aluminum sides clean? Today I just want to do a short video on how we clean this thing and how we keep it clean and maintained. You know, maybe if I made a video on it, maybe it'd help somebody else out who was, you know, had one of these campers and needed to know how to keep it clean. So, talked about washing. I just use, when we wash it, I use good old Dawn Platinum, a little teeny bit of this and some warm water, and I use this brush right here. It's a super soft brush. I know there's a lot of people out there that use the foam cannon or the stuff on the pressure washer. I haven't had good luck with pressure washers on these seals. I've had them leak sometimes, so I just stick to the old-fashioned hand washing, and that's what I start with. The next thing I use, if I have, like, after I clean it and it's clean but it still has black streaks, sometimes I start with this right here and see if it'll work. I think it's the Thetford black streak remover. They take off the topical black streak or the surface black streak, but they do not get down into the, like, they don't get rid of it fully. I'm gonna show you this real quick, and then I'm gonna show you another product we use that you don't have to use these at all. This will take off if you want to go off for a weekend and just get rid of your black streaks so nobody says anything to you. But if you really want to clean it, I'm going to show you that product coming up. Now, you can see, if you get right close, you can still see the streaks coming down, especially up underneath here. They're still here. And if it doesn't work, then I go to this product right here, Zep. And this stuff right here, you get at Lowe's, Home Depot. I can't find it at Walmart or anywhere else. It's sort of like Tilex, but it's like half as much. Half as expensive. So, and it works really well. The only problem with this is that it will leave some like bleach streaks going down the aluminum. If you see that after you rinse it off and all that, and you have the bleach streaks after you use that, believe it or not, this is what I use right here, the OxyClean, which, you know, it was kind of a fluke thing. We just said, let's try it. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna spray this on it and show you. Now this is kind of a soapy product, so after you put it on and you wipe it off, and then bleach streaks come right off. It's crazy. I never knew. Kim brought it out and said, why don't you try this on the bleach streaks? It worked, so we've been doing it ever since. This is a soapy product, so you gotta kind of go back over it with a little bit of water and rinse it off. And then we were talking about like waxing and what do I do for wax, and do I use spray wax? I've tried to spray wax. It doesn't last that long on these kind of sides. I don't know why, but this is what I use right here. New Finish. It says it's a once a year polish. I use it once in the spring and once in the fall, and this stuff works like a champ. It does take like the deep-seated black streaks out, like the stained black streaks. It'll take that out with no problem. It is a little more work because it's a hand wax and then a buff, but it's really easy to use. Like I said, I'll probably use this on our fifth wheel, our painted fifth wheel. I used it on the Outback gel coat finish, and I use it on this, and it works really well, and it does last probably 4 to 5 months before you got to clean it and do the deep clean and all that stuff all over again. So I do recommend this product. I will say this, I'm not sponsored by any of these products. I just use them because over the years of doing, we've probably had campers for 23 years, and this is just the stuff that works for me. Another thing we were talking about, all this black aluminum and this black trim right here, trim around the windows, all that stuff. I use this right here, the McGuire's Black. It's like a silicone-y type base that comes out, and it If your black stuff is gray, you've got streaks in it, this stuff right here is the ticket to bring everything back to black. It's the Meguiar's Ultimate Black, and I'm going to show you exactly how good this is. I'm going to show you one up here, and I'm going to show you on our propane tank holder exactly how good this stuff is. So this is what it looks like. It's all bleached out. You know how black things get, and you put all kinds of stuff on it, tire shine or this, that, and the other to get it to work. I'm going to show you what this does. So just put a little teeny bit on the rag. You rub it in. Like I said, I use this on everything that's black. Old faded bumpers, you can use it on your tires. Just rub it in and wipe it off. Get all the excess off. Of course, I got it in that screw hole. I won't be able to get that out for a month probably. Kim says toothbrush. Anyway, so that's wiped on. I'm gonna go get the polishing rag, and you just polish it off. And it brings, you can see the difference from here to there, just in the shine. And it'll stay like this black for, it'll rain, even if it rains and you run through rain, it'll stay just like this for probably a month or two. So I did this earlier. This is the after, and that's the before. You can see how dark, and it brings that black shine right back.
On this side of the camper, they wrote with some sort of chalk some numbers. I tried to get it off. I couldn't, nothing I used scrubbed it off. However, I like to try different things, and I tried, it's just craft paint, but it's for outdoor. I just put it on a sponge and I sponged it. I sponged all of it, and look how great it looks. And we've had torrential rain for 5 days, and it, no leaking, no anything, perfect. I also put it here, and I put it on the other side, and then Ed put the polish on it. Here it is with the polish.
Really sturdy.
I know. Ed put the polish on it to make it look, to protect it and make it look nice. And there it is, it looks great. This was all rusty. It's gonna get hit again, but if I just keep it up, it won't look bad. I also, in our bumper, our back bumper was rusty. I just did it really quick. Put some stuff in there. We lost the cap. We're gonna get a new cap, but there it is, it looks nice. Right in here is rusty. I'm getting ready to put some of this stuff on it. This kind of stuff, you're gonna need a brush to dab in there. Craft brush, a small little craft brush. Just dab it right on in there. It's gonna look great. Recommend it. It has to say outdoor though.
I showed you what we did the before and after on our propane cover. This stuff, it works fantastic. Anyway, when it comes to the tires and wheels, I use this stuff right here, the Meguiar's foam, because I do like my tires to stay black and clean. You know, just spray it on, let it set for a minute, do its thing, and then wipe it down with a cloth, and you're good to go. I like it because it's not like when you run down the road, it doesn't sling it all over the camper or your truck or car. I use that on it pretty much, you know, the truck, camper. That's the products we use. So what is your method for keeping your RV clean? Do you do the hand wash like I do? Do you use the pressure washer with a foam cannon? Do you do the like wash and wax, you know, the, what is it called? The waterless wash wax? Or do you run this thing like we used to when we had the fifth wheel? We ran it through the Blue Beacon car wash to get it all nice and clean before we took it home and really detailed it. So yeah, so let me know in the comments, how do you do it? Let me know your tips, your tricks. And hey guys, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and we'll see you next time.